Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject, a topic noise pollution. In this video you will learn about how to prevent the noise pollution. Noise pollution, it means unwanted sound that is combined or overlapping with other sounds which creates annoyance or pain to one's ears. Sound becomes unwanted when it either interferes with the normal activities such as sleeping or conversation. Humans can generally hear sounds with frequencies between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Humans can generally hear sounds with frequencies between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Human hearing is able to discriminate small differences in loudness and pitch over that large range of audible sound. Human hearing takes place by a complex mechanism involving the transformation of sound waves into nerve impulses. Hearing is one of the 5 senses. The ear changes sound pressure waves from the outside world into a signal of nerve impulses sent to the brain. There are 5 sections of the hearing mechanism work. First one outer ear, second one middle ear, third one inner ear, fourth one acoustic nerve, fifth one central auditory system. Noise pollution or noise disturbance is the disturbing or excessive noise that may harm the activity of balance of human or animal life. Solution for noise pollution. First one, community development or urban management should be done with a long-term planning along with an aim to reduce noise pollution. Second one, social awareness programs should be taken up to educate the public and the causes and effects of noise pollution. Next solution for noise pollution. The first one, planting more trees in highways. Second one, ban on unnecessary blowing of horns. Third one, not to exceed speed limit. Fourth one, to develop quieter type of diesel engines. Fifth one, to improve road surface. Sixth one, restriction of movement of vehicles in silence zone. Sixth one, legal restriction on noise polluting bodies. Then last one, improvement in silencers. Once again, these are the points about the solution for noise pollution. First one, by enacting strong rules and regulation to the public against any person that involved in producing illegal noise, by reducing the volume of speakers. Third one, by construction of soundproof rooms for noisy machines in industries. Fourth one, eliminating the source of noise from its origin. Fifth one, by modifying the path along which the sound is transmitted. Sixth one, by providing the receivers with some form of protection. How to control the noise pollution? Noise pollution affects both health and behavior. Unwanted sound, that means noise, can damage psychological health. Noise pollution can cause annoyance, aggression, hypertension, high stress levels, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and other harmful effects. So, noise pollution or noise disturbance is the disturbing or excessive noise that may harm the activity or balance of human or animal life. The source of most outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines and transportation system, motor vehicles, aircraft and trains. Noise pollution is very dangerous to both man and animals because it can cause many effects to their health and also to the environment. So, noise pollution should be controlled and be under consideration. So, noise pollution should be controlled and be under consideration. Noise is not only a nuisance but a serious environmental problem and a health hazard. Like all other pollution, noise pollution is needed to be controlled. Noise pollution can be effectively controlled by taking the following measures. Okay students, stop noise pollution for peaceful world, for harmony of nature. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.